morning, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's happening? What's happening? Put that on mute. Let me just get browser source up and then we'll start, boys. Right, that's sorted. Cool. Guys, how are we doing? How is everybody's weekend? Are we good? I want to break down GJ and gold quite thoroughly this morning and see what we can see for the week actually. Chad, good morning. Mark, good morning. Diego, morning guys. A fresh week to start off. Yes sir, fresh Monday. Good morning, good morning. Matthew, good morning. MFX members, good morning. Charles, Matt, Brandon, Mike, Gino, Yanette, Cal, morning guys. Hope we're doing good. And Mark, good morning, good morning. Guys, we are nearing that, we pretty much are in the final quarter of the year. Within the last 3 months of the year, we've got to start pushing. We need numbers, we've got to make more money. Okay, I think we're ready. Just want to get this out on my side, boys, so we can start. Matt, I did see your message. I'll get back to you straight after the stream. Knowles, don't forget our one-on-one today at 2. Okay, first and foremost, guys, let's go ahead and smash that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and then if you wanna go ahead and like the previous streams as well, obviously help the algo. I actually had some Streamlabs issue yesterday and this morning. I couldn't get on Streamlabs, so I almost didn't have a session for YouTube just because Streamlabs wasn't opening up. Not just on my side, on all the streamers that I personally know, Streamlabs just wasn't opening, so I almost didn't have a live session on YouTube. Okay boys, let's have a look. What is going on here? Gold actually breaking all-time highs once again, which is actually not even surprising because I anticipated some longs last week Friday. Unfortunately, my stop loss got hit on those, but we anticipated the longs. They didn't play out, and they played out like an hour later, and they just started skyrocketing, which is actually quite crazy. So let's have a look at gold. Gold tapping into all-time highs once again, sitting at their price area of 25.87. Wait, before I even go on, mods, just let me know if you guys can hear me properly. Perfect. Carl, good morning. I like what you did that. Morning. Okay, guys. First and foremost, as you start looking above this level here. What is this? 25.75, trading above that key area right now. We can already see that the weekly area has a very, very shallow retest. Price hasn't actually retested the level of 25.25, which is the area that it actually broke out of. Now looking today, we have the opening of the candle, but pretty much creating not really a bottom wick, right? We can see that there's not really a retest of the current QP, let alone the QP that it broke out of, which is quite interesting for me, and that's something that I definitely want to mark on that daily, because I'm going to anticipate that if we're going to flip this daily bearish after breaking previous high, because remember, we're continuing that candlestick anatomy, making that higher highs and high lows within that candle. So for me personally, if we are to break the current daily low, I will actually look to short the pair down, even though it is going to be a counter. We haven't gotten our retest yet, so my primary objective isn't to now try and find the highs of, you know, gold and try to short it. That's not the idea, but it will make a lot of sense to me that we will come down to retest 25.25 unless you start forming a support area nearby. But I mean, the liquidity lies there. We've broken out of that area, we've driven. Where's the retest before the continuation? Where is that? So whether it be a shallow retest for something like that and then a drive, that's fine, or a deeper retracement, and then a drive. That would obviously be preferred, but obviously I have to trade what I see, boys. Okay. Then I also want to mark out the current daily high, because if we have that support on that lower time frame and price suggests that it can continue driving to the upside, I'm not gonna not take it because I'm adamant about seeing a retest. I'll hop onto this buys in continuation of price driving to the upside. Very similar to what we're actually seeing now on gold, which is that 4-hour. Gee whiz, this 4-hour is so bullish, it's crazy. However, we do have a demand level that has formed right now. Might be small, but it is there. So here you've got your current 4-hour levels right there. As well as right here. Coming down to 30-minute. I actually have a 30-minute resistance right now. Do you guys see that? So yeah, I've got 4-hour supply. Price is broken through. Price has given us a shallow retest. It would obviously be better if it could pull down and turn and drop, but I mean, realistically, what are we looking at right now? We're looking at the idea that if this 4 hour is going to flip and break its current high, the 30-minute also breaking current high, I'm going to anticipate that price can continue running. Now, there is no LTA to the left hand side. It is in clean waters, so I'm going to anticipate that we can run to that QP level. And this is going to be my 30 and 4 hour zones right here, boys. And this is going to be the play for me. If we are to start closing above this level, I'm going to anticipate price to overflow to the upside. I'm not going to do anything impulsively. I'm going to have to wait for price to close above the levels. If I can get price closing above the levels, then I can look to take the position. On the contrary, guys, we don't have a 2 candlestick pullback there nor there. So 30-minute is going to be bullish until there. You with me? However, I can visually see that this is where that microstructure starts to lose its momentum. Okay, so what I'll then do is look for aggressive shorts, not there but here beneath the QP level, because then I can see that the microstructure that it has is coming to an end. I don't want to be caught in something like this where it starts to dip below. We think, okay, it's time to sell, and then it just starts buying. You with me? We shouldn't be caught out in it anyway, because we'll have to wait for lows to be broken before we can execute anyway. So I feel like the way we take these positions is quite safe, so it's fine. But right now, guys, a 30-minute or 50-minute closure above the level for something like this is going to give me the idea for a type 4. If I can get that, I'll then look to long the position after price retest and starts driving for a setup for something like this, stops beneath the low, wherever that may be, and then we look to take the pair to the next quarter level of 2600. That is crazy. That is actually crazy thinking about it. So that is what I'm looking at on gold. I'm looking for these buys, guys. It's a continuation hop on. It's one of those days where we can literally close our eyes and buy. However, we need to wait for that retest. If we can get the retest, we can get involved. So this is going to be safe buys for me. The other idea would to see price reject this area, come back down slowly, and give us an opportunity for a type 2. That could also happen. Okay, so depending on how the structure continues will obviously depend which trade I take, but here I've got an area for aggressive type 2s as well. So that's what I'd like to see, and then we're just going to target those highs. So that's going to be the rebreak of the current daily high. And then aggressive sells, like I said, is going to come down here, boys. I don't want to be too aggressive and take it a bit earlier. I probably could, to be honest with you, but I'm going to need more data. And for that data, what I need to see is something like this: retest, hold resistance, and break lows. I won't get involved there, only when it breaks lows, and it won't even be at the flip. It'll be more so of a conservative entry, so at break of lows. Which will then give the idea that we can continue driving further down. I would like that a lot. So that is what I'm waiting on right now, guys, is the following confluence that daily is possibly going to re-break its own high, making higher highs within the candlestick anatomy itself. Now, as I mentioned, the weekly hasn't given me the full-on retest that I want, but I feel like that is, if it's going to break highs, it should be enough, because it's showing me that the momentum is there. Okay, then coming back to the daily, obviously breaking previous daily high and re-breaking current daily high. The 4 hour closing above that supply zone, retesting, grabbing liquidity. We want to see price start trading above the highs. Um, 30-minute form resistance, we want 15 or 30 closure above the level. Just see something quickly. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait for a close, boys. I'm gonna have to wait for a close, either on this 15 or the 30 minutes. So 15 is gonna be like in the next 4 minutes, and then we can see if we do get something. If not, we'll obviously have to wait for London open, which is also fine. Where is this now? Yeah, look, I like this stuff on gold. It's quite straightforward. It's simple. Why is my trading view taking so long to load? You can see you got another level there. Price is testing that. It is quite nice as well. Literally, we're just gonna do this. This is what price is doing. So we just want to get it on the continuation. I feel like today's simple. Okay. That is my breakdown on gold. I feel like it's very simple, very straightforward. Let me know if you guys understand. If you, well, drop it down in the chat if you understand. If you don't, let me know. Let's see where we can assist you. But yeah, I feel like it's very straightforward. Today's one of those days you can let you just close your eyes and get involved. It's simple, boys. It's nothing more than I need to say. Let's drop down to GJ and see what's happening there. Hold on, let me actually put a price alert on gold. Right, GJ, what is happening? GJ, oh, this is actually beautiful. GJ continuing that bearish momentum. Weekly, I still feel like we'll come in full this week over there, boys. The weekly closed beneath 185,000 last week. This week opening up, grabbing liquidity now, starting to drive to the downside. I'm going to anticipate also the rebreak of the previous weekly low. Price should drive. Daily also giving the suggestion that you could drop now. I think we might have actually missed the initial move, but let's not rush it. Obviously you are breaking that previous daily low, re-breaking your current daily low as well. 4 hour has your demand level right here. So here's your 4 hour demand right here. I'm gonna highlight that out like this. Four-hour supply is also there. Obviously the 30-minute will just start tweaking. Drop down to the 30-minute. You can actually see there's your 4-hour level there, which is also setting up a 30-minute setup right now. GJ is going to be easier as well. Here you got your 30-minute zone right there. Same idea with gold, boys. A close beneath here. So gold, obviously will close above. On GJ closes beneath your prices right now. I'm going to go short on the pair. And I'm going to look to short it all the way down to 183.727. Okay, we got close on GJ the next 30 seconds. Let's see if we can get a setup here, boys. Okay. And the setup on this is going to be at the flip of the next candle, okay? Okay, candle opened with little to no top wick, so I don't want to be too aggressive yet. Still gonna wait. Because there's little to no top wick, which means it can obviously create it, so I don't want to be part of that. I want price to first go up before I get involved. Gold not closing above just yet, but that's what I want. Gold closure above GJ. I want closes beneath. I don't want to get involved with a candle like that hasn't given us a proper retest unless it starts breaking lows. Okay, there is obviously 15 liquidity there. That is nice. That's exactly what I want. So you see, with this being said now, this is obviously what we want, right? But the thing for me is, guys, I wanted to pull back to liquidity. That's the main thing for me right now, to pull back to liquidity. Why? Because that's going to give me the idea that it has the volume that it needs. So that is what I want to anticipate can happen before I get involved. Just checking on that left hand side, because I'd actually like to get down to, if you look where we are right now, we could definitely see it come to tap 4-hour lows. Okay. Okay. I'm going to take it on the flip here. That's going to be aggressive of me. But I'm going to take it 184,117. Okay, that is me in the position right there, boys. Really nice. Okay, so in the position right now on GJ, we're looking for that 10 pip target as a TP1, obviously. My stop loss is 34 pips. TP1, I want it at the lows of that 15. TP2, sorry. So that's gonna be about 38 pips. I will start securing at that 20 pip mark as well. TP2. And then your final TP will be at the lows there, boys, for 37 pips. I just want to neaten this up on that 5. So this is my position this morning. Let's see what's in store. Obviously, you can let me know if you don't understand anything, boys, but yeah, so for those asking me which broker I use, as you'll see the banner on screen, link in my description, I use HFM. So the link is in my description, you can sign up under that. Minimum deposit is like $5, and then we have for those that want, obviously, and seeking that leverage, they do leverage of 1 to 2,000 on Forex and 1 to 1,000 on indices. Boys, that is TP1 smashed. Drop a W in the chat if you caught that. Beautiful, beautiful sales with us this morning. Lovely stuff, man. Absolutely stunning. Let's see those W's, boys. www.com, www.tp.com, www.anotherone.com, www.mfxway.com. Beautiful stuff, man. Lovely. Not even 9 o'clock. We're done for the day. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. And just like that, guys, we've killed it once again. So I've got 80% secured. We've got runners running. Let's see what she can do. If not, we've got a beautiful 10 pip banger on this fresh Monday morning. That might be runners out. That was very close. I'm not gonna lie, that was very close. Well, the 30-minute level at, where was that? 184,069. Where was that? 184,069. On the what you said, the 4 hour, 30 minute. This one, yeah. That like what do you call it? Candlestick body. Yeah, it could have been a problem, but the way I took it was based off of the 15, with anticipation that it could actually drive further. So that's why it like made sense. Hope that makes sense, my brother. But yeah, it's like a dub, guys. Obviously, my runners are out now at BE. So this was the trade this morning. Very, very nice. I love to see those W's, man. I love to see those W's. Let me just journal that. Got you, bro. Got you, got you, got you. So for that, where is this? So last Friday, I actually took 2 losses on stream last week Friday, and I feel this is like a very important lesson for everybody to understand that losses is part of the game, but it shouldn't make you like feel some type of way. It shouldn't do anything to your psychology or your emotional state or anything. If you trust your strategy that much, you shouldn't feel anything. Because look, now today you come back, so you don't ever focus on the short term, always the long term. 1609. And as usual, every single trade that we've taken this year is live on stream. Thanks, Puppers and Dippers. Oh, 847. Oh, 852. Can anybody tell me what entry that was? Can anybody tell me what entry that was? Confirm candle. Waited for the... Thank you. Type 4. Thanks, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bro, I feel like GJ is gonna continue, guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I feel like GJ is gonna drop. Dropa apa. That's what I think it's gonna do. Once I can start getting through these levels here, that pretty much the level that Chad mentioned. I feel like once I can get through that, it's gonna wick for that whole week. What's the time? 4 minutes? 5 minutes? I actually might call another position for you guys, just for the fun of it, knowing that I will win. I buy at 184, stop loss 183, 700. It's right. I don't know what you're doing, brother, but if that is your plan, my man, all the best, champion. Minute order block, that's why. 100%, brother. That's like part of your strategy, then all good, my man, all good. I just don't trade like order blocks and stuff like that, so I can't really comment on that. But if that's your plan, all the best, my G. Guys, I'm just gonna run to the bathroom. I'll be back shortly. Okay, what is gold doing? Gold's actually rejecting that resistance. Did I add that W there? I think I did. Let's see what gold's up to. We got London open in about 3 minutes here, boys. I'll probably just be on stream like 9:30 and I'll call it because we're done for the day. My rule is one and done. Like I get my dub and I'm done for the day. But any questions you got, YouTube, let me know. MFX members in the Zoom, are we good? All good, all good. Did you catch that? Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Let's see how gold reacts as it comes down to this level here. Tweak that a bit. Could potentially see a 4-hour retest of this level here. Let me see in the chat, what do you guys trade? Between GJ and gold, which is your preferred pair? Let me know in the YouTube chat what's your preferred pair. Can GJ bounce 1 and 5, then fall again? All I'm gonna say is GJ is overall bearish, bro. So I think key levels to look for will definitely be your first level right here, which is 1 and 4, 500. Because personally, I feel like GJ is gonna continue dropping. I don't see how it's gonna buy. I feel like GJ will just continue dropping and dropping and dropping. And I think I'm right. So what we're gonna do is, I'll call a second trade. If we can get closure beneath the level 184,040, we can look for price to continue further down. Personally, I won't take the trade because my rule is one and done, but I'll call another position for you guys on stream if it happens before 9:30, because as I mentioned, I'll go private to the MFX members at 9:30 just because I have called a position on YouTube already. I don't think you guys can get everything for free, you know what I mean? Yeah. GJ. Perfect. Oh, they're so beautiful. How beautiful is this market structure that we're seeing on GJ? Literally, there's your level, it breaks, it retests. There's your level, it breaks, it retests. There's your level, it breaks. How gorgeous is that? How beautiful is that? So I missed it actually. Breaks, retests. There's your level. Now it's breaking again. How beautiful is that structure? Man, oh man, I love that. So GJ has definitely been the one that's just moving so nice with structure. I just feel like gold is at all-time highs the whole time, so it's always like just doing weird shit. Guys, I actually just want to mention something on stream because I've been hearing a lot of complaints regarding like certain prop firm spreads and things like that. Just one thing that, look, this is for no prop firm. It's a general statement that it's a prop firm, which means that it is simulated accounts. So yes, you'll have a prop firm that'll have this spread and a prop firm that'll have that spread, but to be honest with you, prop firms as a whole is just not going to have the best spreads because they are simulated accounts. So think about that when you're going into the prop firm space. Okay. Gold 30-minute closure, Maribozu. Okay. GJ 30-minute closure. Okay. So this is going to be the play on GJ. So GJ has the 30-minute level there, we understand that. However, we've closed beneath on this level here with no retest. If GJ is going to come back to retest and re-break lows, I will anticipate GJ to continue driving down. Okay, so what I want to see? I want to see this current 30-minute candle that has just opened and dropped everything in the first 4 minutes. Okay, if we can retest to grab liquidity, then re-break lows, I will take it at the break of the previous 30-minute low. Okay. Sorry, Ron, let me rather say call it. So to be, how big that stop be? Oh, that stop is actually very nice, guys. So the setup would be something like this. About 35 for stop, targeting those lows for 21. This would be the idea. Go. Why also am I comfortable with taking a break at this point? What setup would that be? Because I'm not waiting for the closure, but I have given me closure there that is giving me confluence, but I'm not waiting for the closure beneath the actual area. What setup would this be if I don't wait for closure beneath? Any MFX members, can you tell me? Breakout, what is that? GJ? Yeah, Unit loves GJ. Gold, but I've been taking more GJ lately. GJ moves quick. Yeah, it's like I mentioned to the guys, it's just cycles, man. It's literally just cycles at the moment. Type 1. So it'll be a type 1. Yeah, it'll come with time though. Like, don't rush it. It's not a there's no rush to, you know, get that foundation built. Rome wasn't built in a day, so just take your time and brick by brick, day by day, you'll be good. Because the more you see it, the more you implement it, the more it will become like second nature to you. That's why you'll see like I did a big breakdown on gold compared to a little breakdown on GJ, and I took a GJ dub. The thing is, it's like second nature, man. You can literally see the move that's gonna happen before it even happens because you do the same thing every day. Okay, we're all getting that. We're getting that retest that I want. At this point, if it drops now, it's fine with me. As long as it's broken highs and it rejects and re-breaks 30 low, that's going to show me that there's not enough buyers in the market. And this was just a mere reaction off of this bodily support over there. You with me? Because at this point, with this candle opening up, make your mind awake, right? Then to drop down, retest these lows, and re-break its high, right? Grab liquidity. If it's to re-break its low, it's game over. It should drop. Especially because of the fact that you are break retesting. So it's just simple market structure. Break, retest, break, you know? So let's see. Any other question, guys, can just let me know though. Oh, should we do a giveaway today? Or should I keep it for tomorrow? I think let's do it tomorrow. I don't think we have enough viewers right now for that giveaway. Let's get us to 80 viewers and then I'll give the giveaway tomorrow. Because we average about 70 around there. Or should I just do the giveaway private for the MFX members? Will be a $10,000 Vault Funder account. Yeah, let's go big today, $10,000. But in the meantime, as you have 35 viewers, guys, let's hit that like button, let's hit that subscribe button. And then if you want to level up your trading, there's the link right there. Join our mentorship program. It is a learn and earn, so you can come and learn from me as well as obviously trade alongside myself. This is the broker that I recommend. This is the broker that I use. I would say they're the best in the business at the moment. And then this is the prop firm that I will recommend as well. Okay, so that is the links that you guys obviously need over there. GJ starting to press. I like that. So you know what I'm gonna do over here, ladies and gentlemen? I'm gonna go ahead and give the call for a sell stop 183.965. Yeah, sell. I would do sell stop. $183.965. Stop loss 143.01, and your overall target is about 21 pips. 183.753. Obviously, TP1 being 10. That's up to you, champion. That's up to you. We'll see what happens on Friday with accountability. Who's going to the gulag? Hey bros, type 3 busy forming on gold. Let's see. Yes sir. Yeah, possible type 3 forming on gold. That is correct, Mr. Brandon House. Your eyes coming in perfect at the moment, eh? That'd also be the re-break of that previous 15 as well. I like the setup a lot, I'm not gonna lie. It would be nice though if this 15 could start closing beneath now already. That would be great. Nice bro, yeah, I've been focusing on identifying the market structure and execution setups, and I definitely feel like I'm making progress. 100%, I would definitely agree with you. Definitely, brother. There's one of those setups now where you've got that 5-minute floor as well. You have formed resistance in the 5. A simple rebreak of that 5-minute floor should drive price to the downside. 15 close also coming in at the moment. Look, it's not a must that it must close beneath, but I wanted to. That would be great. Because it's going to show me that it's actually breaching the bodies on the left hand side. I'm in buy from GJ. I'm in buy for GJ from 184 100. Safe. Brother, that's up to you, man. I mean, when you took that short, when you went long in the position, then obviously it was because of your analysis. So just because I am planning on selling, which I'm not in yet, but I'm planning on selling, doesn't mean that you're wrong. You know what I mean? So if that was your analysis and your plan at the time, stick to it. Stick to it. However, I will mention that you are buying against structure. I don't see how you are buying. But if that was your plan, 100%, bro. Okay, 15 close. Yeah, at this point, boys, like, I'm happy with 183,965. I got you, brother.
Hi, Mal.
Morning, man. How are you?
I'm alright. How's the weather there?
The weather is pretty decent. It's okay. It's not bad.
Check your mouth. Do you mind just through the 5-minute floor, guys? On this day. I just want to ask you something. It's a 5-minute.
Yeah, yeah.
So, you see those candlesticks when it's hovering or hovering around like that level there. So, is that actually a good sign?
That is a good sign, yes.
Because I always think playing or fooling around that area.
Now, I don't think it should be a point of panic. You actually wanted to sit there because you want price to accumulate orders. That's what you want. You want price to sit there. So the more it actually chills there, the better. Because if we have something where it's just one candle pull back in a drive, it's not that awesome. But if I can say that, wow, you know what? There was so much volume at this point that it actually drove through a major area. Well, not that it's major, but in this case it is major because it has a 30-minute level right there. But let's just use the 5-minute example. But we can have the idea that like we've got this area there that sat there for but accumulated orders and then broke. That is going to show me that there is a loss of buyers and there is more sellers after prices accumulated the volume. So it's a good sign for us. Yeah. No. That's perfect, bro. You need that actually. I got you, bro. So that 5-minute now is starting to play with this floor right now, guys. We want to see it drive right through. Gold shitting a brick at the moment. No stress, bro. So we got pending orders 183,965, TP1 183,865 with a final TP of 183,765 for an overall 20 per possible move incoming. See the price also like breaking that previous If I have to get in on this position, what I'll do is I'll actually move that stop there for 27, because I wouldn't want to be in this trade if it's now breaking lows after it's popped in highs and then start popping back up. So that is those sell stops orders activated right there. We've got a TP1 of 10, a final TP of 20 pips. Second call trade, let's see how she runs. I would obviously tell, look, we're like, where is this? 35, right? I wouldn't want to be in that position if it breaks as high, so that's why that stop can be at 28 for sure. She should hit that T-bar now. We've got this wick full on the left hand side. She should continue running. I think when I looked, it was just I can't see bodies. That could be an issue, but it should be fine, man. Yeah, these little bodies there, that could be an issue, but it should be fine. See, so the price pushing so heavy now to that TP1 area, I definitely wouldn't want to be in the trade if it breaks those highs. So definitely stops is moved to 27.7 pips. Could even be aggressive and have it above the 15 high, but I think that might be a bit too aggressive. Definitely the 30 high is going to be the safest to have your stop there, because we could still see a retest and then it drops. So something like this, because you're now beneath that area for something like that. Go. Guys, I'll be back in like 2 minutes. Okay, you getting that that half past 9 close in the next like 4 or 5 minutes. Let's see. MFX members catching gold here. What's going on here? Oh, you guys catching some gold. Some gold miners in the chat today. What did you guys entry on gold? Yeah, I hear you. Definitely. I feel like it would also be quite aggressive to take those, to be honest with you. Especially against that structure on that first phase. That's TP1 smacked right there, boys. That's at second trade gold. We should get a TP2 off of this. W in the chat if you caught that. W in the chat. 2 trades called. Let's hear it. Let's see it. Who took that second trade? Who took the first trade? Who made some money today? Who learned something today? You guys take these wins way too lightly. I'm not gonna lie to you. Easy, boy. Easy. 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 Easy, boys. Easy, boys. Easy. Couldn't have done it better. What can I say? Huh? I did. Nah. 30, but we won't say anything. Oh, boys, that was a lovely one, man. That was a lovely one. Second trade called 20 per banger. The value doesn't match? What? Oh. GG's, boys. That was a beautiful trade. I'm not gonna lie to you. Do we have any questions? Does everybody understand? For those that was trying to buy it, do you guys understand why it didn't buy? And this is once again, guys, why I keep trading so simple. You don't need any weird things like order blocks and all that jazz. Keep your trading simple, and you'll be good. What is this? What is that? Quite nice, actually. I'm not gonna lie to you. Where is this thing? This keyboard. What type of trade was that? Yes, I will send you that journal, my brother. Anybody know what type of trade that was? Yes, sir. Yeah. So he took it based on that 30 break over there. So it was a type 1, very aggressive type 1, I'm not gonna lie. But this gave it away for me. This closure beneath gave it away, and the first trade that we took gave it away. With the idea that, what do you call it? It will let you just continue. Where was that first entry? Let me just see quickly. That first entry was like here. 65. That first entry was like there. Okay. Damn. So if we had let it run, that would have been like 37. Yeah, GJ was a drop day today. Okay, I think now I can call it a stream, right? 2 trades gold. I still have runners going though. I would love to see that runner. Continue further down. That'd be pretty cool. Charles, let me just get this to you, my brother. So I've got a lot of tabs open on these screens right now. Here we go. World class, thank you, my brother. Week start with loss. Look, my brother, as long as you understand why you took the loss, because like I was mentioning to, I think there was another guy also trying to buy. Yeah, ZZ47. As long as you can understand why you guys lost because you were buying, then don't see it as a loss. Just see it as paid education. Okay, that's all you got to do. If you can learn why you took your loss, then 100%. And I hope that the way I took the trade helped you identify why that loss occurred. I think I'll be the first person to tell you that order block stuff you're doing, throw it in the bin. I'm not gonna lie to you, dog. Keep your trade simple. You don't need any crazy stuff. I literally have what, 4 blocks on my chart. I won't even count that block. I got 4 blocks on my chart, and that's literally just supply and demand, understanding market structure and price action. Trading is not difficult, so try your best to not try and overcomplicate it. Go. Any questions though? Any questions? Tomorrow's gonna be giveaway day. I'm gonna give away a $10,000 Vault Fund account tomorrow. So pull up to stream tomorrow. Did I add in the wins? What about gold? I called 2 beautiful trades and you're gonna ask me what about gold, bro? What you can do is just rewind the stream and then you'll see like the breakdown on gold. That I did mention in the beginning of the stream, brother. Oh, Brandon, you took those gold shorts. Nice. For me, like, even though I didn't take it, I think it was a bit too big on stops. But yeah, boys, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna love and leave you all. Before I leave, do you have any questions? It's 9:30. I'm gonna call this session. There's no point in us being on stream. We've taken 2 trades. We won both of them. Main thing though, hope you guys have learned something today. Whether you made money with me by taking the trade or just watching me take the trade, as long as you've learned, that's the biggest thing. And then just a quick little plug, boys. If you want to level up your trading, join the MFX membership. It is a learn and earn. It comes with my entire package of how I trade. A to Z, everything you need is right there, straightforward, with my one-on-one mentorship, as well as accountability, as well as live trading. That's on the membership side. If you want to trade with the best, check the link in my bio for the link to the HFM broker. Best spreads, best everything. I've been using them now for a hot minute, so check the link in my bio. I mean, in description. Speaking like it's on Instagram. Charles, appreciate that journal. I'll check that out just now. But yeah, guys, I'm done for the day. I've called 2 trades. We are done. I'll see you all tomorrow. MFX members, I'll see you tomorrow. Knowles, if you are here. Wait, I think Knowles is sick still. I'll send you a WhatsApp. But yeah, guys, I'll see you tomorrow. Same time, same place. Just call another dub. And then I'll do a $10,000 Vault Finder giveaway tomorrow on stream. So pull up to that. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Cheers.